Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply get Kiwi Browser, download and install on your Android phone without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Ever before now, Kiwi Browser can be easily found on your Play Store. If you click on your Play Store and then you just come to search and you type in Kiwi Browser, so you should be able to see it ever before now. Alright, but now Kiwi Browser is no longer found in Play Store. So how do you get it back without any stress? This one you see right here is not the right Kiwi Browser. So you have to make sure you don't download it. So what you need to do is to exit from your Play Store. Then you have to head over to your Chrome browser and get the APK app of Kiwi Browser. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. The next thing you need to do is to make use of address search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in Kiwi Browser APK. Then click on search. Allow it to load up and you'll be given different results. What you need to do is simply scroll down right here and click on this particular soft tonic. Click on this one right here. Then it's going to take you right here. So at this point here, allow it to load up. Now, the next thing you need to do is to simply click on free download. Just make sure you close this particular pop-up. Then allow it to load up and it generates your download link right here. Now, what you need to do next is to simply click on free APK download. And in a few seconds, your download should be start just like what you see right here. Allow it to download. So this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on download anyway. Then as you can see right here, the download is being prepared right here. As you can see, after a successful download, next thing you need to do is to exit from the web browser and run the setup. So let's check it out. So after a successful download it from the internet and you run the setup, you should be able to have something like this. So after you have reinstalled it, click on it and it's load up to this particular page. Here we go. So you have your Kiwi browser with all the features, functions right here. You are good to go. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply download and install Kiwi Browser right now. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.